in here, and welcome to Searching For. And I am just now firing up my new Elite TI2 system. I decided to upgrade from the HDS 7 and the HDS 5. We are going to, this is a touch screen. I'm going to configure, let's see, measures do you want? Miles per hour, feet, Fahrenheit, knots, nautical. This is good enough for me. Lakes, regular fishing, figure anyway, complete settings more, and we will finish. All right. Waypoint charts. Add to your fishing experience with Lowrance apps. Waypoint charts in your pocket. Keep latest updates. Connect your Lowrance device to two apps. Okay, we can do that. Custom support. Alright. Get started. Connect your app to using the barcode. Let's see, I had already set that up with that, right? Let's see. Where's mine? I do have a barcode reader. Not now. Barcode reader. Scan image. What are you doing? Alright. Yeah, there we go. Open website. Okay. Okay. This site can't provide secure connection. Okay. Use anyway. I don't know. Alright, I don't know what it's doing. Don't know what it's doing. Or download it from your app store, open it, and go to My Devices to connect with your Lowrance device. Alright. Don't need the ads right now. Jeez whiz. Where do we get all this crap? I can't get Lowrance app. I can't remember if I did it on this one or I did it on that one. There's Lowrance there. Using the app. Allow. Okay. Now I don't know what we're doing here. I'm not sure. Let's go back to my YouTube. I was watching these guys. Oh man, I lost it. I was just watching something and I lost it when I dropped out. Oh great. It started. Oh, come on. I was just watching something and I lost it. Come on. My JDS set up. I need my 9.3 set up. Well, doggone it. Shoot. Alright. I'm not getting it. I can't get the connection. going to take me out of something else here. You know what it's doing? I'll get my barcode. This is so confusing when you start setting this stuff up. Alright, I'm gonna escape that for now. Are you sure you want to exit the process and continue at another time? You're not. Lowrance app connection. Jesus, I really need that. Let's try it again. Okay, did that. Open charts. Show you around. Open charts messenger. Upload it. Alright. Continue. Okay, we were unable to connect to. Where's the Wi-Fi? Wi-Fi connections. Network. Please check the TI2 is powered on. Check the Wi-Fi settings and try again, but I don't know how to do that. Alright, here we go. There we go. Let's go. Systems. Times. Ah. Text says don't land. Uh-oh. Alright. Yep. Well. Okay, system. What's down here? Appears to be working. Okay. To device, yep. Local. Okay. Alright, what's going on? Okay, no. Okay. Oh, it should be screaming at me. We know 7 feet. Okay, this is good. Time is 8:15, that's correct. We're not 4 p.m. though. 25 feet. And configure. Good. Okay. Okay. Let's try to reconfigure here. There it is. Okay, we got both of them on. Let's go. We're unable to. Built-in Wi-Fi on. Connect to tablet or phone. That's correct. That's right, why? Alright. I didn't have my Wi-Fi on. And there it is. See, password is XP X Q B K, capital K, K, incorrect password. What the heck did you do? Q B E 6 J K K. Why didn't that not work? Why is that? Dang ya! Not connected to. Why? Nothing wants to work the way you want it to. Re-entry. Unless we'll use a temporary Wi-Fi connection device. Connect. Okay, congratulations, you're not connected to the Lowrance app. It's time to plan your next trip. On the water. Close. Okay. Alright, so we're done. Back to settings. Alright. Alright. So, let's see, where we at? There's Rochester. There's all my cursors. Alright, so that's where we're at now. My software is up to date. We're good there. Online menu. This is just a quick update as I am setting up my new Elite TI2 system. Well, one of the first things you want to do is make sure you've got the updated software. And to do that, just jump on Lowrance and go to Help and Support, which is where I'm at right now. Help and Support Downloads. And then you go ahead and put in the product series, whichever one it is. Language, all language, but you didn't jump on here. Come on. I just went on all language. I just punch English, and then it's going to drop down. It's going to tell you and I'm running 4.1. Then what you want to do, then you get your manuals. You can download the manuals, and then current software is Elite TF software update, and that's 2.0.1. And when you go into your settings, it's going to automatically, you can go down to software available, or I mean you go to your about. We'll go back into that, and then it'll give you your software. And I've looked at mine, and mine is updated. Custom sonar, sync sonars allowed. Alright. Alrighty. And unfortunately I don't have time to keep going, so I guess we're going to go ahead and shut her down. Alright. I like it. And I just adjusted this puppy here, so now I can then I lock that down, and now it's not in my way. I'm over here, it's out of the water, and we can do what we need to do. Alright, so that is the initial startup of the Elite TI2, and we'll continue on getting it set up. Maybe I can get on the water tomorrow. Alright, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share, and we'll catch you on the next Searching For.